We have addition equation and subtraction equation. What are we doing? Yes, we're adding. So this would be an addition equation. Let's say that together. Addition equation. Get ready? Addition equation. Good job. Okay, so we are going to do what this says. It says, how many swim strokes would it take Sheldon to move forward from lily pad 0 to lily pad 4? Okay, so if he's on lily pad 0 and he wants to swim to lily pad 4, let's do the work and show. So he's on 0 and we're going to go 1 stroke, stroke 2, count with me, stroke 3, stroke 4, and we're going to stop because we went 4 places. So, how many did he do? He went 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer would be 4. We could also write it this way. We know that he did a stroke. 1 tally, he went another one, and another one. So let's add up our tallies. Count with me, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the same. So if he was on 0 and he did 4 strokes, it would be 0 plus 4 equals 4. I want you to say that along with me. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And this is an addition equation. Read that with me. Addition equation. Get ready? Addition equation. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to subtract that one, and we are going to practice doing another story problem using Sheldon. Okay, let's read. It says, how many strokes would it take Sheldon to swim from lily pad 0 to lily pad number 6? And they give us the addition equation, the addition problem, the plus problem. Okay, they said that Sheldon started on 0. There's Sheldon. And he is going to swim to lily pad number 6. So here is lily pad number 6. We know that's where we have to stop. So let's do our swim strokes. So start at 0. So 1 stroke. Count with me. 2 strokes. 3 strokes. 4 strokes. 5 strokes. And 6 strokes. Okay, now we can go back and we can count how many strokes it took him. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many strokes did it take? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, 6. 6. Let's read this addition problem. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Repeat after me. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Good job. Now turn to your partner and I want you to read that to your partner. Get ready? Class, are you ready? Yes, yes. Okay, class. Let's work on another problem. Thank you. And your very own little Sheldon. And I want you to follow along with me, and we are going to solve these problems. I want you to follow along. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, teacher eyes on you. Okay, so here's Sheldon. Let's read this story. Okay, everyone, you need to hold your cards quiet. Hands and feet and eyes. Thank you. Once upon a time, there was a little turtle named Sheldon. He was sitting on lily pad 0. He saw a tiny fish. He was hungry. Sheldon made 5 swim strokes to try to catch the fish. How many swim strokes did he take? Whisper to your 5. Yes, 5. He's trying to catch the fish. We want to know, where is Sheldon? Okay, we know, let's go back. He was on, they say 0 plus 5 equals what? Okay, once upon a time there was a little turtle named Sheldon. Here's Sheldon. He was sitting on his 0 lily pad, and he saw a fly. So he made 5 swim strokes. So we're going to go forward on our number line, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop, because you got to 5. Let's count our tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did it take to get from 0 to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whisper your answer in your hand. Release. You are right. Good job. I'm hearing 5. If we were on 0 and we wanted to get to lily pad 5, we'd have to go bigger to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. Repeat after me. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Yes. Let's say that together. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Good job. Give me a yes. Yes, good job. Okay, so now he's on 5. He's on the 5th. But this is what happened. And then he swam 1 more stroke. Where is he now? Well, he's on lily pad 5. And just like we skip counted, let's do it together. He's going to go 1 more stroke. Uh-oh. Oh, poor Sheldon. So, he's on number 5. And we're going to go 1 more. 1 more. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they say 5 plus 1 equals how many? So we're on 5, and he took 1 more stroke. So we're going to plus 1. So 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 equals, release, yes, 6. Good job. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to tell your partner, using your number line, I want you to solve this problem. I'm going to erase this stuff But I want you to take your Sheldon and your number line, and I want you to work through the problem. So, again, before you do it, once upon a time, there was a little turtle named Sheldon, and he started on 0 lily pad, so that's where we want him to start. Watch carefully so you can retell the story. Let's put the problems up here. Okay, so he was sitting on 0 lily pad and he saw a tiny fish. He was hungry, so Sheldon made 5 big strokes and ended up on lily pad number 5. So let's start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when he started on 0 and ended at 5, he did 5 swim strides. And then it said, then he swam 1 more stride. So if he was on lily pad number 5 and he went 1 more, we're going to have him swim over 1 more, just like we skip counted. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 more equals, release, 6. Yes. Okay, your turn. I'm going to come around, but I want you to retell the story. I will be here to help you. Get ready. Class, good job solving that problem. That is exactly, you seem to understand what we're doing. Okay, so we are going to do more problems just like this, and I want you guys to continue to follow along with your little Sheldon to solve the problems. And we're going to do the next problem together, and then what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you break into your partners and go back to your desk, and you're going to work together to solve 2 problems and tell each other the story and find the answer. You're going to write it down and you're going to read it, and then you are going to take a worksheet, and on this worksheet there are 2 problems, and you are going to work on your own, and I'm going to be walking around to see that you know what we're doing, and I will offer help and we will discuss things. Are there any questions? Thank you. It is so hard to do this video without students. It is. It's like once the kids are going, but thanks. I know it's not the best presentation, but it's the best that I can do with the little bit of limited stuff that I have. Our school is being remodeled because of the oil boom and the huge number of kids. So, but thank you very much, and I look forward to doing more things in your class. Thank you. Bye.